In this video, let us start with a new chapter, that is triangles and its properties. You have already come across triangles in your lower classes. You know, a triangle is a simple closed curve made up of three line segments. You know the meaning of simple curves? Simple curves are curves which don't cross each other. So you can say this is a simple curve. It is a closed curve. Yes, it is closed and it is entirely made up of line segments. Now, you know that a triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Which are they? The vertices are A, B and C. The sides are AB, BC and CA. And the angles are angle ABC, angle ACB, and angle BAC. Now for each of the vertices, you have the side opposite to it. So side BC is opposite to vertex A, side AC is opposite to vertex B, and side AB is opposite to vertex C. So this is about triangles and their parts. Now you also know that a triangle is classified based on two things. One, based on sides and based on angles. Based on sides, the triangles are classified as scalene triangles, isosceles triangles and equilateral triangles. Scalene triangles are triangles which have all three sides of different lengths. Okay, in isosceles triangle, two sides have same length, and in equilateral triangle, all three sides have the same length. Then based on angles, you know, it is classified as acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle and right angled triangle. Okay, acute angled triangle, you know, the angle is acute. Obtuse, you know, and you also have come across right angled triangle. So this is about triangle and its classification. Now, based on the triangles, there are different concepts that you can learn. Okay, one of them is median of a triangle. What is a median of a triangle? Median of a triangle is a line segment. Okay, it is a line segment which is drawn from one of the vertex to the opposite side. Okay, such that it is drawn to the midpoint of the opposite side. So what is a median? It is a line segment which is drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So now in the figure you can see from A I am drawing a median to the midpoint of the opposite side. Which is the opposite side of A? The opposite side is BC. So first I find the midpoint of BC, and from the vertex A I draw this line segment. So this is our median. So now you know that a triangle has three vertices. So can I draw another two median? Yes. So suppose I take this as my vertex B, then which is the opposite side to this? The side opposite to this is AC, right? Now then I'll take the midpoint of AC and then I will draw a line segment BF, okay, from the vertex B to the midpoint of AC. So this is another median. So we have a third vertex. So from C we draw the third median. So a triangle has three medians. Okay, so which are they in this figure? AD, CE and BF. So I hope it's clear the definition of median. The next subtopic is altitude of a triangle. Now what is altitude? You must have come across altitude in your lower classes or in any other maybe practical life. Altitude usually stands for height. Okay, so what is an altitude of a triangle? It is a line segment which is drawn from one of the vertex to the opposite side, such that this line segment is perpendicular to the opposite side. Now again, it is a line segment from the vertex to the opposite side such that this line segment is perpendicular to the opposite side. Now here it only says that the line segment should be perpendicular. It does not say that it is drawn to the midpoint of BC. So don't get confused that this perpendicular will bisect or the BC, or it is D is the midpoint of BC. It does not say that D is the midpoint of BC. It only says that altitude is a line segment which is drawn from one of the vertex to the opposite side such that it is perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay. Similarly, just like you had three medians for a triangle, even altitudes are 3 because the triangle has 3 vertices. The altitude also will be 3. So in this figure, the altitudes are AT, AD, CE and PF. So these are the 3 altitudes of the triangle. Now, based on different types of triangles, okay, which is classification is based on the angles, you will see that the altitudes will lie either inside, outside, okay, either in the interior or the exterior of the triangle. So let us take the acute angled triangle. So you can see this is an acute angle triangle. Now I have drawn 3 altitudes, okay, for this triangle. One is from point P, the other one is from point Q, and the third one from point R. Okay, all the 3 altitudes, that is QN, PL and RM, they, if you see, lie inside the triangle. Okay, all the 3 altitudes lie inside the triangle. So this is the case when we have taken acute angle triangle. Now what if we take a right angle triangle? So let us take a right angle triangle ABC. Now if I take the vertex A, what will be my altitude? Altitude is the height. So this is my opposite side. So this becomes my height, right? This is perpendicular to BC. Similarly, if I take my vertex as C, then which is the opposite side to C? The opposite side is AB. So now if I take the perpendicular to AB, you can see this side becomes perpendicular to AB, right? And which is the third vertex? The third vertex is vertex B, and which is the opposite side to this AC. So my perpendicular is this. So this is my third altitude. So which are the 3 altitudes? AB, BC and say this is BD. So you will observe that in a right angle triangle, 2 altitudes are the sides of the triangle itself, right? So AB and BC are the sides of the triangle. So in a right angle triangle, 2 altitudes are sides of the triangle. Now let us take an obtuse angle triangle. What happens in an obtuse angle triangle? Now the triangle here is LMN, okay. So your triangle is LMN. So first let us take the vertex M. So which is the side opposite to M? LN. So now I will draw perpendicular from M to LN. So my altitude is MF. Now let us take the vertex L. Which is the side opposite to L? The side opposite is NM. Now if I want to draw perpendicular, you can see it will fall here, right? So we will just extend the length here and see. Okay, let's extend the side NM and see where the perpendicular meets. So it meets at this point G. So this is a perpendicular. Next let us take the side vertex N, and which is the side opposite to N? LM. So now you can see if I want to draw perpendicular, I will have to extend the side LM. Okay, I have extended the side LM to E, and now I am drawing the perpendicular. So NE is the altitude. Okay, so NE is the altitude to the third side LE. So now if you look at this obtuse angle triangle, you will see that two of its altitudes, they lie to the exterior or outside the triangle. Okay, so two altitudes lie outside the triangle. So you see that altitudes of a triangle, they can lie either inside the triangle, or the altitudes can be the sides of the triangle, or they can also lie outside the triangle. Similarly, I want you to draw different triangles and check whether the medians will lie inside the triangle all the time, or they will be sides of the triangle, or they will lie outside the triangle. So that is the exercise that I want you to complete after watching the video.